Hi, I'm Dr. Rajani, and today I'm taking you through my morning skincare routine that I teach to my patients in my clinic for their best glowing skin. Now I'm going to go through it with my products, the Rajani MD line. No matter what you're using, you'll get something out of this because you can look at the ingredients, compare what you're using, and follow similar steps. There'll be tips for everyone. If you're getting value out of these videos, please click the like button and subscribe. How do I know this works? 3D imaging with my patients in my clinic. The camera can pick up fine lines and wrinkles to millimeters, reds, browns, glow. We measure it all for outcomes. Studies are great, and I have them on my YouTube channel, but most importantly is real world experience and real life results. Now, the first step in your morning routine is going to be cleansing. You want a gentle, non-irritating product like my featured cleansers. And your goal here is just to prep the skin for the goodness of the products that are about to come. You don't want to irritate your skin. You want to maintain your skin barrier or your stratum corneum. Skin barrier function is extremely important for clear, beautiful, vibrant skin, and that's our goal here. Keep in mind also, you want to keep your bed sheets and your pillow clean. That will minimize the work of your cleanser. Now, your second step is hyaluronic acid. Mine is 100% vegan. No animal or animal byproducts are used in the manufacturing of my hyaluronic serum or any other product in my line. It's alcohol free, and I only use 100% distilled water in my products. Now, hyaluronic acid is going to keep your skin plump and smooth. It reduces the signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. It's an antioxidant, and it helps to improve elasticity, and loss of elasticity is what leads to sag. Now, it's a humectant. It hydrates the skin and attracts water. But remember, you need to stay hydrated from within. So your first glass of anything in the morning should be water, not coffee. You want to stay hydrated. There's also a special peptide that I add to my hyaluronic acid serum that you need to know about. It's called Argirilene, and it's a wonderful substitute for Botox injections. Works in a similar way, and it's absorbed through the skin, where its composition inhibits the snare complex, causes the facial muscles to contract just a little bit less. It's fully natural looking, and you don't get those drooping appearances or unusual effect where you get frozen like with Botox. It's just a nice subtle look, but it's in the hyaluronic acid. Now, step 3 is vitamin C, one of the most studied skincare products on earth. What do I see in 3D imaging with this? Reduction in the appearance of fine lines, of brown spots, a more clear looking skin, brighter skin. Now, mine has 3 types of vitamin C, including vitamin C ester and L-ascorbic acid. So it's formulated to brighten, soothe, and hydrate the skin. It replenishes it. It includes antioxidant-rich extracts like organic cranberry, raspberry, and blueberry. These ingredients allow it to leave a silky, soft texture and finish. It's suitable for all skin types, especially mature skin. It's vegan. There's no added gluten, no phthalates, and no parabens, of course. It has a 67% organic content. Now, the oils in here, you know I like oils, rosehip seed oil and organic sunflower seed oil. That's what gives it that perfect finish. Vitamin E, organic neem oil, and organic white willow bark extract. If you wanted to stop here, that could be your last step. The reason is it has a moisturizing effect. Of course, if you're out in the sun being exposed to the sun, then you would have sunscreen after this. There is one more step I do recommend my patients before their sunscreen, and that is applying my Ultra Moisture. It is a super hydrator, but it does not feel greasy or heavy. It's an amazingly nourishing cream, and it can be used under your eyes safely and will also work wonders on your face, neck, and anywhere else you need ultimate hydration. It's especially perfect for dry, neglected, mature skin, and I even use it as post-care for many of my procedures because of that. Now we have a lot of younger people purchasing it, or those that don't have a lot of skin damage, and they use it as a finishing cream before applying makeup. A lot of makeup artists buy this product. It instantaneously removes fine lines. And you know how makeup can often make you look older, add to the fine lines, especially those that are 30 plus and seeing some more fine lines, loss of collagen? It eliminates that issue with makeup. And that's why a lot of people label it the ultimate glass skin finishing cream. It's also vegan. There's no added phthalates, there's no added parabens, and there's no added glutens. Other ingredients to note are grapeseed oil, and that's what makes it perfect for the under eye. Many of you know grapeseed oil is great for the under eye, for dark circles, for brightening, and even for that redness that some people get underneath, causing dark circles. There's organic jojoba oil and other antioxidants that leave it very moisturizing, but it is very gentle, with organic white willow bark extract and sunflower seed oil, which is, like in my vitamin C, a perfect ingredient as a finishing oil. Now your last step, if you're being exposed to UV light, you're going out in the sun, will be sunscreen. And I feature different ones depending on what your needs are, but what you want is a basic one that you are going to wear. A lot of people don't want the white cast of mineral sunscreens, so a lot of people would use chemical sunscreens on top of this. This morning routine is backed up by evidence of my 3D imaging of my patients in my clinic, what I've been using for years, not only just for post-care after procedures, but this is a great standalone routine to help avoid having to get unnecessary procedures done. Don't forget to couple this great skincare with sleep, exercise, nutrition, and nutri-cosmetics, things you can take by mouth like collagen powders, vitamins, and anti-inflammatories to help your body, skin, and this skincare all work better. Pop over to my supplement page where I have videos to educate on that. Make it an amazing day.